about flower, its main basic parts. Okay. Today I am going to elaborate because you are in higher class. Okay, parts of flower. So first, anybody tell me how many types of reproduction is there? Types of reproduction. How many types of reproduction are there in an organism? Can you tell me? How many types in numbers? Huh? 2 types. Yes. Good. Now can you tell me what are the 2 types of reproduction? Yes. Good. Sexual and asexual. So in plants, what type of reproduction happens? Yeah, both can happen. So what happens in the flowering plants? Yes, in flowering plants, the reproduction that is happening is the sexual reproduction. Okay. Why it is called sexual reproduction? Can you tell? Why sexual reproduction? Yes, both male and female is involved. That's why it's called sexual reproduction. So in a flower, so there are 4 types. 4 types. There are 4 parts of a flower. So before that, can you tell me? So I tell that flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Okay. So the first part of a flower is calyx. Okay. It's also called sepal. So in a diagrammatic, I will also show in a diagrammatic type also. Consider this as a sepal. But I will complete the diagram till then. Okay. So this is the shape. This is a kind of shape of a calyx. So this is the leaf-like part of a flower, and it protects the flower from not falling off and like that. It is the green part, as I told. It's the green part of the flower. So it also has folds of. It has many bolts, so according to the bolts, there are many types of bolts. So it is called aestivation, which I will teach in the next class. So now let's discuss the parts of flower. Okay. So this is the calyx, also called as sepal, which holds the whole flower. The next one is corolla, also called petals. Petals. So this is what we use to decorate our Onam and all other flower celebrations or something like that. So why we use this petal for decorations and all? Why? Yes, it has different colors. So can you tell me biologically why there are different colors? Yes, for the attraction. So that pollination. What is pollination? Yes, I'll tell that. So the reproduction should take place. Okay. So that's why this is the aesthetic part. Corolla attracts the insects. So it tells the insects that there is food. There is food, so that it can come and suck the things, the needed liquid, and pollination can take place as biologically, which is helpful for the plant. Okay, it also has birds. Okay. So these two parts of the plant are called non-essential parts of plant because it is not directly involved in the reproduction. Okay. So I will tell the main next two parts which is directly involved, and that's called the essential part of the reproduction, sexual reproduction in the flower. Okay. The first one is androecium. Okay, androecium. So androecium contains. So I will draw a petal. Okay, petal. So then there is called androecium. Androecium is the main part of the flower. Androecium contains two parts. One is called the filament, and the other one is called what? So this is another one, androecium. Okay, stable. So the other name of androecium is stable, right? So anther contains what on the pollen grains. The pollen grains are what? The male gametes. Okay, so this anther, it contains pollen grains. Okay, so the filament holds that anther so that it should need height so that it can get into what? The female part of the plant, okay, of the flower. Okay, so this is androecium. So the last essential part is called what? Gynoecium. Okay, the gynoecium is also called carpel or pistils. Okay. This is the structure of a gynoecium. Gynoecium contains three parts. Okay. This is called style. Okay. And this is called stigma. Can anybody tell why stigma is for? Yeah, it is to receive the pollen grain. The pollen grain is now in the form of pollen tube, so that it can jump. So protective layer is there. So it comes and sticks to the stigma. From there, it comes through the style. Style is a compartment, is a pathway through which the male gamete enters. It enters and comes towards what? The main part. What is the main part? Ovary. Ovary is the compartment. Okay. What is the female gamete called? Ovule. So the male gamete fuses with ovule to produce what? Zygote, and that the zygote will develop into the fruit. Okay. So this is the general parts of a flower. So then I also I like to tell you what pollination is. Okay. You told what is pollination. Can you once again anybody tell what is pollination? I told the process here. From the male part to the female part of the flower. So there are two types of pollination. First one is called self. Okay. The second one is called what? Cross. You know what the difference between self and cross is? Self is that kind of pollination in which the pollen grain is transferred from the male part of the same flower or the same plant to the female part, the stigma of the same flower or the flower of the same plant. That's why it's called self. That is self pollination. The other one is cross pollination. You know what cross pollination is? It's the same only, the process is same only, but the only difference is that the plants are different, but they are of the same species. So this self pollination is there and cross pollination. I think I got the idea about what is pollination, types of pollination is. So as general, can you students tell me what are mainly the flowers, parts of the flower? 4 parts. Calyx and corolla. What kind of part is that? Non-essential, because it is not directly involved in the pollination. So next, the essential parts are what are the essential parts? Androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is the male part and gynoecium is the female part. Okay. What all kinds of pollination is there? Self pollination and what are the difference? Can you anybody tell? Marina, can you tell the difference between self and cross?
In self pollination will be happening to the same flower.
Okay.
Cross pollination is a way of different plants but of same species.
Okay. Good. So I think you got the overview of what happens in pollination and also the morphology of a flower. Okay. I think I guess we will study about it more, research more about it there on based on your textbooks and all.